The UI5 framework offers you a range of support tools to help you examine and revamp your apps. The UI5 Inspector is an open-source Chrome Developer Tools extension. It becomes active when a UI5 app is loaded. It shows you which UI5 controls are involved. Hovering over a specific branch of the tree highlights the corresponding control in the app. You can also right-click on any UI5 control from the screen and select Inspect UI5 Control. This automatically selects the control in the tree, and you can interact with its properties and view its bindings. The UI5 Inspector is available for free in the Chrome Web Store. The Technical Information dialog contains basic information about the loaded SAP UI5 distribution, the underlying Open UI5 version, user agent, root URL of the loaded app, and an option to load the debug sources. It's also your door to two other support tools, Diagnostics and Support Assistant. Diagnostics is a rich toolset for troubleshooting and debugging that works on all browsers. In the Technical Information section, you can find additional details such as loaded jQuery version, Bootstrap configuration, and the available and loaded libraries versions. You can view all used controls. Select an element from the tree to see it highlighted in the app, or select an element from the app while holding down the Alt, Control and Shift keys to highlight the respective element in the tree. View or modify property values for the selected control, check binding information and add breakpoints on object level. In the debugging section, you can load your app against a different UI5 version to test it for compatibility or to verify a bug fix or regression. You can add breakpoints on class level. The other tool that can be accessed from the Technical Information dialog is Support Assistant. It gives you on-the-spot solutions of possible issues. Support Assistant is a rule-based mechanism that checks whether your app follows UI5 best practices and SAP Fiori design guidelines. You have a list of available rules that can check different categories of your app. Each rule has properties that describe it and a check function which evaluates runtime aspects of your app. Additionally, you can view and explore the rule code. Select which rules you want to analyse your app with. Run analysis to get an idea of all possible issues with description, resolution, and links to relevant documentation. When you select an issue, the affected control is highlighted in the control tree. You also have the option to download the results in a consolidated report. You can find additional information for all support tools in the UI5 documentation.